Hi, I am Vidat and this is my Formlang project for programming paradigms. Formlang is a domain-specific language I built using Lex and Yak. It allows us to generate complete HTML forms by writing simple .form input files. Let me first show you the main files in my project. Form.l is the Lex file. It defines all the tokens in my language such as form, section, field, required pattern and different field types like text, email, dropdown and radio. Form.y is the Yak file. It defines the grammar of Formlang and produces the HTML output using helper functions. Example.form is a sample input file that contains the form definition written in my DSL. HTML generator is a helper C file that generates the actual HTML code for each field. Output.html is the generated file a full working HTML form. And finally, I use a make file to automate the build and run process. Now let's take a look at example.form. It starts with a form block followed by one or more section blocks. Inside each section are multiple field definitions. Each field specifies a field name, a type such as text, email, date, text area, radio, dropdown, checkbox or files, and optional attributes like required, default, min, max, pattern, rows, calls, and etc. Dropdown and radio field also support options which are redirected correctly in the output. Let's now run the project. I will first use make clean command. Next make run. This compiles everything and runs the parser on example.form. The result is written to output.html. Now I will open output.html in a browser. As you can see, it is a complete working HTML form. Text inputs like full name, a text area with rows and columns, a number field with min and max, an email input with pattern, a field uploaded with a PDF restriction, radio button with label options, and a drop-down menu with country names, a password field with a pattern, and a checkbox for agreement. All of these elements were generated entirely from .form input using my customer DSL. This makes more creation simple, structured and reusable. That concludes of my demo of the Formlang project. Thank you for watching.